Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm starting off a new series here on my channel where I test out viral girly products. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out a very viral hair tool that I see going around everywhere. I'm going to be testing out the very popular hair straightening brush or comb, and as you guys can see, my hair is already naturally straight, but this ain't cute, you know, so I have to fix it up anyway. I do usually still straighten my hair with a hair straightener because this is just not doing it for me. So if this tool can replace my hair straightener, that'd be so awesome, because I feel like hair straighteners are so damaging for your hair, and it like fried all of my tips. But anyways, because my hair is a lot shorter, I actually am going to be trying out a hair straightening comb, which is just like the brush but a little different. I don't know. The one I'm going to be using in this video is this one by TYMO. I got it off of Amazon. Of course, all the details and link will be in my description box below. But I've seen little advertisements of these popping up everywhere, and I was a little intrigued by it, so I'm like, let me try it out and see if this will work for my hair, because it's already straight, as I said. All I'm really trying to achieve is like the bottom to be as straight and smooth as possible and not like flick out like it's doing, you know. So we are going to find out together if this thing really works. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like naturally. I washed it and then let it dry on its own, and yep, this is what it looks like. It sometimes looks even frizzier. Today it doesn't look as bad as some days. The comb that I'm going to be using can get as hot as 410 Fahrenheit, so that's pretty hot. I'm probably going to use like the medium heat. It's pretty simple. You just turn it on and then adjust your heat to your liking. I already feel it heating up. I really like the swivel power cord. That really helps and not get tangled up or anything. Ooh, it's already pretty hot, and it did also come with 2 clippers, a glove so you don't burn yourself, and a dust bag for the hair tool itself. Ooh, okay you guys, I think it's pretty hot already. I can feel it to the touch. The advertisement video just showed the lady brushing her hair like it's nothing, but I tried doing that and I don't think I'm gonna get that great of results just trying to brush it like a regular comb. So what I'm gonna do is section my hair and just brush it that way. That way I can make sure that all of my hair gets brushed and straightened. Ah! Okay, that was weird. Let's try this again. Oh. Wow, okay. I think it's working. Alright, I'm not done, but I realized that I don't really like the results I get when I do it underneath. If I pick some hair up and do it this way, I find much better results, and it's much easier. You can't really grip your hair just by trying to brush it like that. So you do need to kind of grab your hair to ensure that the hairs actually get inside the comb. We're not even 10 minutes in the video yet, and I mean, I'm almost halfway done straightening my hair. So let me straighten my whole hair completely. Oh my goodness, look at this hair. I gotta say guys, I'm impressed. Not only like the straightening effect, but the timing. Like, this literally took me about a minute. It's so quick and effective. I wonder what this could do to very curly hair or frizzy hair, or even like just different textured hair. This is gonna cut down so much time when I get ready in the morning. I do want to test out another trick to see if there's other hairstyles this comb can do, and I want to see if I can do like a wave or something. Let's see. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Usually when I do those loose curls and waves in my hair, I do use a straightener for that. So I'm going to try to use the comb just as I would use my hair straightener and see what it does. I don't know what this is, okay? I mean, it definitely created something. Let me try again. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think on longer hair maybe the waves would look better, but because I have short hair it just looks like a odd wave. So let me straighten it back out. I can't stop touching my hair. I'm so impressed. I was able to get sleek, straight hair in literally about a minute. As you guys saw for yourself, I tried to do some waves. Didn't get the best results, but if you had longer hair, it would work a little better on the waves. But if you're looking for something to just untangle and straighten your hair very quickly, this little tool works wonders. As you guys saw for yourself, I was able to go from this to this in no time. Absolutely love this thing already. If you guys are interested in one, it was super affordable off of Amazon. Again, the link will be in my description box below. This is the quickest review video I ever had to make. So thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye!